Hey, it's Matt Wolach. We're going to talk about why your free trial is not working. Intro time. Hey, I have a lot of SaaS founders come to me every single week saying, what's going on? Our free trial is not working. Matt, please help us. And it's frustrating. You've got a great product. You know that people need to use the product in order to love it. And you just can't figure out why they're not converting. You get a bunch of people into your trial, nothing happens after that. Nobody's closing, nobody's converting, they're not seeing the benefit of the product. So what is it? Sadly, it's just human nature. People have so much going on that it's really hard for them to commit and buy into something if they don't know the result, if they don't realize what the final benefit for them will be. It's really hard for me to tell somebody, hey, I want you to spend hours and hours on something that may not work out at all. Can you do that, please? No, I don't want to do that. Nobody wants to do that. And so what ends up happening is, and you'll probably see this within your free trial data, that a lot of people get in, click around a bit, and then they're gone, and you never see them again. I have founders ask me, well, what if we took our free trial from 7 days to 14 days, or from 14 days to 28 days, from 30 to 60 days? No, it doesn't matter. They're only in there at the beginning, so it doesn't matter how long the trial is, they're not gonna use it. And how many times have you signed up for a trial where you went in there and you clicked around and then you're gone and you never went into that product ever again? I know I've done that a lot. And that's exactly what a lot of users do. That's why your trial is not converting. I have people tell me, well, hey, we're trying to call them, we're trying to email them. What's going on there? Well, when you try and call and email, when is that? Are you waiting a couple days? Are you waiting a week? When are you doing that? You have to get to your trial right away. You have to get to those trial users immediately. If you can't get them right away, you're in trouble. Here's why it's not working. Because you're not connecting with them. Yes, there is the dream of, oh, we just set up this thing, it's an automated process, people are gonna love it, they get into the trial and then they love the product and great, everything's awesome. Doesn't work. People don't go through an automated process, especially if your product is $50, $100 a month or more. And forget it if you're at $250, $500, $1,000 a month, out of the question. Nobody's going to go into your trial and just start clicking buttons and realize they need to spend $1,000 a month. Don't try and make it happen. Don't force it. Instead, use your trial to try and get them into the call. Free trials are not closers. Free trials are lead generators. Okay, I'll say it again. Free trials are not your closer. Free trials are lead generators. What are closers? Your demo. That's how you're going to close. So use the free trial to get people to sign up. Now that you have their information, get them into a demo. You've got to be able to have a connection with them. You need to engage with them. And in the demo is where you can close them. Free trials are not closers. Your demo is the closer. I know a lot of founders who like that. They understand that, but they're scared of closing. And so if you're scared of selling, you're scared of closing, don't worry. I've got a video for you right here, how to overcome your fears of selling. Click that, watch that video, and I think you're absolutely going to love it because it's going to get you over those selling hurdles so you don't worry about having a demo. You'll close a lot more deals. And if you really want to understand how to do it, give us a call, sign up, book a call. Me or my team will have a conversation with you and we'll see if we can help you overcome some of these challenges that you're facing. We work with software founders every day who go from struggling and hurting to extremely successful and crushing their goals. So if you want that to happen for you, click the link below, book a call, we'll have a conversation. If there's a fit, you'll see how to get to the next level. By the way, if you love this and you want continuous tips and help and advice, subscribe down below, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell so you get the notifications and you'll always get updates and advice and guidance to show you exactly how to sell more software deals. That's what it's all about. We will show you that in this channel. See ya.